Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Aradhna, and in today's video I'm going to talk about a few YouTube channels that helped me during my preparation for UGC NET, and I think these channels will help you as well. So yeah, today's video is going to be really short. Before we start this video, if you want to connect with me further on a daily basis, then you can follow me on Instagram. Link will be in the description and also in a pinned comment. Now let's get into today's video. Okay, so the first channel that I'm going to talk about is UGC NET Mentor. This channel is really helpful. Like in the first attempt, my score in paper 1 was really bad. I didn't even score like 25 questions right. So it was really bad for me, and I had to work a lot on it. Along with the book KVS Madan wali book, I also took help from this channel. I took like 80% of help from this channel, and rest I solved the PYQs. So just refer to UGC NET Mentor. They have a lot of playlist and a lot of videos on each unit of paper 1, and I'm sure you will get a lot of help from that channel. I think that is the best channel for paper 1 preparation, and that channel kind of explains the concepts of paper 1 in a very simple and a very interactive way, so you will be able to grasp all the concepts. So I think you should take a look at that. If you think that logical reasoning and mathematical reasoning, you find those difficult, then I think you should refer to that channel. That channel is really good. Okay, so now let's get to the channels that are very helpful for preparation of English literature especially. So the first channel that I'm going to talk about is Arpita Karma. Obviously, I mean, that is like one of the best channels for UGC NET, in my opinion. She has a lot of playlist as well on paper 1 as well. I think you can prepare paper 1 from Arpita Karma as well. She talks about a few concepts that are very important. And for paper 2, she has a lot of playlists, like a lot of playlists for each unit, and sometimes she also explains the topics of each unit, and so I think you should just watch her channel in one day, not like in one day, but just give a couple of days to her channel. I think it is very important to use her channel in a very strategic way, because she has talked about a lot of strategies as well, and you can just plan a strategy. You can get the basic idea, the basic blueprint of how you need to prepare that paper according to yourself. Okay, so I think Arpita Karwa is one of the best channels for UGC NET preparation. The second channel is Dala Multitasker. I have told this a hell lot of times that I have prepared criticism and literary theory from his channel, and it was really worth it. I mean, just watch his videos and start writing all the points that he talks about. That is really going to help you throughout your preparation, and it is going to, his way of teaching things is very interesting. That's why I think that his channel is worth watching. For literary criticism and literary theory, I think Dana Multitasker is really amazing, so you should check out his channel as well. The third is Study Lovers. Study Lovers is a channel which talks about the summaries of novels and dramas and all sorts of things in Hindi, and basically, and if somebody is getting a lot of trouble getting the summary from Wikipedia, and you think that is very complicated, then you should go to Study Lovers, and he talks about all those summaries in a really simple way, and you will understand all the characters and all the main themes of the novel and dramas. So I think that is very important, because you cannot read the whole text. And I know that summary is not enough. You need to have an interest in the whole text and on the lines and all those kinds of things. But the thing is that while you are preparing, you cannot read the whole text. That's why I think Study Lovers is also one of the channels that you need to check out if you are preparing for UGC NET English literature. The fourth channel that I'm going to talk about that might come as a surprise is The School of Life करके एक channel है. The School of Life is a channel which talks about author biographies, and in a very animated videos, and it's really interesting if you see that. So the thing is that when you are preparing literary theory or literary criticism, any of the writers that you want, you can just search for that writer plus The School of Life, and they will give you a really good biography of that writer, like the whole biography, his main ideas, concepts, whatever the main things that happened in his life that inspired his works. That is, I think, very important. Most of the times people ask that what should we read, what should we leave while we are reading the biography of a writer. writer from Wikipedia and all those things. So I think before doing the Wikipedia thing, you can just go to the the School of Life YouTube channel, and you can just jot down the most important thing that happened in the life of the writer that influenced his works and that influenced him to write altogether. Okay, so I think that is also very important. You should also check out that channel as well. The most important thing is that you need to know how to take notes. Okay, write in pointers, and they also talk about the terms that they have given, so you can just write down those things, and then you can go further on other websites to read about all those topics in detail. Okay, so I think this is how you need to prepare every writer. Okay, so the fifth channel that I'm going to talk about is Crash Course. Now this is like one of my favorite YouTube channels. I also watched this YouTube channel during my masters, because the thing is that on this channel literature is taught by none other than John Green. John Green, who wrote The Fault in Our Stars, Looking for Alaska, Touches All the Way Down. He's one of my favorite writers, and I love him. Okay, and he teaches English literature. He teaches English literature in a very interactive, in a very really amazing way. And apart from John Green, there are other teachers that talk about certain novels, certain dramas, certain concepts of literature in a very, very interactive way. I think the most important thing that I like about Crash Course is that they don't teach about only the facts of a certain thing or certain work or a certain writer, but they also talk about how you need to explore literature altogether. And it's a really interesting way of thinking, and sometimes they leave you with questions that how you need to question all those things. So I think for every literature student, Crash Course is like a really, really good way. One of the most important thing that you need to keep in mind while watching these YouTube channels, while taking help from these YouTube channels, is that how you need to write down the notes, write down the most important thing, the points, and then further study it from other websites. For all the YouTube channels that I'm talking about, you have to do this. And I think that is going to make your preparation a lot easier with these YouTube channels. Don't go to hundreds of YouTube channels, 100 of different teachers. Just choose 2, 3, 4, whatever prefers. I mean, I'm telling you these 5 channels. You don't have to go to all these 5 channels. Okay, there might be some other channels that you prefer, so it's totally up to you. Whatever you feel like, whatever makes you whatever makes in literature interesting for you. So do that. And these were a few YouTube channels that really helped me throughout my preparation, and I hope you all will also find them useful. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.